It is called a statute. I used to train lawyers. Hello. Yeah, so a tool of a trader is called a trading view. So that is where people go to analyze the market. And so once they've seen the analysis and they say, hey, this gold is somewhere down. Normally in trading, we buy a low and then we sell high. So if the market, I can be able to analyze and I see this market is low, I'm going to enter a buy. So that is how they analyze. So there is a tool. That's another system. Now, the other system, of course, is a trading platform. The broker and the trading view, which is where you analyze the market, and now where you execute the market is different. Oh, the tool of a teacher is a Bible. That's so nice. Of a pastor is a Bible. Thank you so much, Peter J. Hey, sawa. Iyo nayo, you have added to my, yeah. So now where you execute a trade, it's called now a trading platform. So that's another system. So a trading platform could be MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. It could be CTrader. It could be TradeLocker. It's depending on what the broker is offering. And now the system that now what I want to introduce you today is for you now to trade. After you need money. So I'm going to give you a system that you can be funded as a profitable trader. And once you are funded, you can be able to trade a big account. Then the second system is the trading view. In this case, you don't know how to analyze the market. Yes, I'm recording. You don't know how to analyze the market. There is a system that is analyzing the market for you. There's a system that is getting in the kitchen. My kitchen is here. I think that's why I'm pointing on this side. Yeah, there's a system that is getting into the kitchen, doing all the cooking for you. And then once it does the cooking for you, it serves you. So your work is to just go and execute in a trading platform. And if you don't know how to execute in a trading platform, we have another system that will even execute for you. The only thing that you will need to do is just to press a button and say, approve this trade, approve this trade. How many have been tapping today? Tap to trade, tap to trade, tap to trade. How many people have been tapping today? I'm telling you today, our group, it was all fire. And for those people who are still in the process of trying to understand what is happening, they're like, hey, coach, will I get it? Will I get it? It takes time. Tell those people who are newly in our system to relax. Even as the first few weeks, we were like, what did I get myself into? So everything takes time. Everything takes time. Yeah, I can see Bitcoin Nia was able to trade. I can see Dorcas was able to trade. I'm telling you, it is so easy. I don't have a trading platform. Yeah, Felgona, we understand. You're still very new in the system. You're in that process where we were in. Of course, this is trading. Patience is required. You will not understand all these things at the same time. So would you be happy if Her Excellency today gives you a company that can give you money to trade, and then a company that can be analyzing the market for you, and then a company that can pass the trading account for you, because for anybody to give you money, they have to take you through an exam. So no, you're not getting this money like you just register and you're getting funded. No, a company that can fund you, because I've told you in trading, you need money, you need knowledge, you need capital, good capital, and the skill of analyzing. The capital is money to trade, and the execution, the skills of executing the trade. So here we have three systems. One system, a funding company that is going to fund you, but once they fund you, they take you through an exam. So we connect you to the second company that is going to pass the exam for you. Then we connect you to the third one that is going to give you a system that you will be using to trade that account. And how do you use it? Just to approve. So all you need to do is just to understand how to run these systems. And as you run them, you are learning. Are we together? The reason I've taken so much of my time to explain it because I think I have 4 slides, I just have 4 slides. Sometimes I don't know. I love making noise and I don't know how I'm gonna make noise. So this is your girl, Her Excellency, and I want to introduce you to Tap to Trade, which is a Forex, a simplified way of making money in the Forex market. And as I've said, I am here with you Monday to Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I've said is 3 days, and Tuesday and Thursday is only in the evening at 8 p.m. East African time, which is 7 p.m. South African time. And I am aware that Saudi Arabia time and Kenyan time is the same. So I told you the beginning of everything is knowledge, which is our first system, which is our first company. It is an academy where you will learn how to make money, how to trade. But before you, as you learn, not before, as you learn, you will be earning, because the academy has given us so many avenues of making money. And that is what I want to take you through now. So this academy, it is for beginners, for you who is very green, for advanced traders, for expert traders. It's gonna give you everything that I'm going to explain to you. Is she okay? Yeah. Okay. It's going to give you everything that I'm going to explain to you in one by one for only sorry, my baby disrupted me a bit. For only $149 a month. So what is the academy offering? Number one, we are offering Educators Academy. What is Educators Academy? Normally, when you want to learn something, even when you feel like you have a stomachache, the first thing you go is to consult Mr. Google or YouTube. In Forex, when you come to learn Forex from YouTube, oh my goodness, you'll be so confused because of cocktail of information. This person is training this one is training this one is training this. So at the end of the day, you end up being confused. You are a cocktail of strategy. You don't know specific strategy they are using. But in this academy, you have materials. These are actually materials that are well organized. From somebody who is very green, for example, for those people who are saying, I don't know how to use MT4, MT5, and you have this academy, we have those materials at the back office that you can go and learn how to execute trade manually, how to put stop loss, how to put take profit. Everything that you need to learn about Forex is here. That is for beginners. Beginners, you need to learn you need to learn the platforms. Beginners, you need to learn the what is it called? The introduction, the terms that are used. And then when we come to our advanced traders, where we start to talk about price action, support and resistance, market structure, all those things. But now these materials are here for you and not a specific time. It's like a library. So you can decide every day I'll be sacrificing an hour, because it's like 10 minutes videos, 10 minutes videos. I'll be sacrificing an hour. I learn how to trade. But remember, I'm about to show you how you can be able to make money even as you learn in this academy. The other one is the live sessions. This is where now we have, I think they are now 13 academy educators that come live, 55 sessions in a week throughout the night. We have the Asian market, the London, those people who trade Asia, those people who trade Tokyo, those people who trade London markets, those people who trade New York market, all around. So we have educators across the globe that are able to come in. The good thing with the live sessions is it's also a money-making session. Why? Because an educator like Her Excellency would come, we analyze the market together. I tell you, this GBP USD is going to sell. This is the entry, this is the stop loss, this is the take profit. As I analyze the market, you are learning. As I give you that trade, you've executed it and you've made money. But now, Her Excellency, how about those people that we are working, Her Excellency? We don't have time to learn. We don't have time to join the live sessions. How are we going to benefit? Relax. We have an app for you. Somebody say an app. My, you better talk to me in the chat, because if you don't, I will force you to do it. Yeah, we have an app. This is an app that you'll be able to download. And the good thing with the app is, once our educators are in the live sessions, They are going to analyze the market for you and send to you what we call trade alerts, commonly known as in Africa as signals. Put your hand down, put your finger down if you have bought signals and you have paid someone $100 every single month to be provided for signal. Let me see in the chat box. Put your finger down. Put your finger down. This is the part I love most. Yes, you will put your finger down. Put your finger down if you've ever bought signals. Put your finger down if you've ever given somebody your credentials to trade for you. Put your finger down if you have ever bought trading bots that do not work. Those are Monica has actually put the big finger. Yes, you have been paying somebody $100 every month. You know, this is what I love about this academy, that I was actually able to show the VIP because I was telling them we got a trade from we got a trade in tap to trade. This is for the VIP. There's a trade I was explaining yesterday. Yeah, today in our morning meeting, it was a gold trade. So the trader was Joel. So Joel sent us a gold trade in tap to trade. Immediately, Joel is on live on sessions, and then we see that is the same gold that came in the morning. So what am I trying to tell you? If you have paid $100 per month to be given signals that they don't work, you don't even know who is analyzing them. How about this 149 that is not only giving you the signal, it's giving you education, it is giving you a system that can trade for you, and on top of that, I can even show you how you will not have to pay 149 per month. If it is getting better, let Her Excellency know. Please, nichocheni. Or I start speaking in my mother tongue. So these are alerts, they are trade signals that we already know the specific people that have sent them. And so how the alerts come, of course, you have to download the app, you have to put the notification on. So you have like for example, this is a trade of US30. You can see what is written. EP here is entry price, stop loss, take profit 1, take profit 3, it's a stop limit. It is a stop limit, yes. And then here where you're seeing this white, for those people who are able to understand the chart, it is the trading view chart, and you can actually see the specific trader that sent, and there down, he has to give a record. He has to give a record to the company that I analyzed this trade. This was the probability of the market. This is the opportunity I saw. This is what I sent. This is the chart I sent, and that's the results we got. So those trades that we have been buying, can you even tell where those trades are coming from? You cannot. So those are the trades alerts. The other ones are the trading scanners they added 3 more trading scanners. We have scanners that gives you the direction of the market, scanners that gives you the possible. If I had gotten this one in 2021, my goodness, I don't think I would have taken that time, that long, to understand the Forex market, because you have the library, you have the trade alerts, you are able to attend when they're analyzing the market. You have the scanners, like for example, this is a scanner that is called Pulse. So once you have them, this system, you join the academy with 149, you will be able to get this scanner. For example, and I'm not showing off, this is a Bollinger Bands. The market is at the lower Bollinger Bands. Of course, these ones here, the relative strength, the index called together with stochastic oscillators. And what they do, they just confirm. I told you we buy low, we sell high. So when you find the market is at the lower Bollinger Bands, you go to relative strength index, you see it is on the lower line. You go to the stochastic oscillator, you find it's on the lower line. You don't need a prophet to tell you that is a buy market. So what you need, scanners, they are for people who are a little bit independent, because you can be able to, it's just like they're scanning the market technically. Remember, scanners, they don't read news. Remember, trading is news, which are fundamentals, and technical analysis, which are the charts. So the scanners will just chart the market for you, but you need to have already read news. So for scanners, it's for those people who are a little bit, they have the little knowledge, and you are willing to continue learning from our academy. So this is our flagship product. And this is what I ask you. What is the flagship product of Coca-Cola? What is the flagship product of Coca-Cola? Is it Fanta? Is it Fanta? What is the flagship product of Coca-Cola? It's Coke. Somebody is telling me it's Coke. Is it Coke? Are you sure it is Coke? We confuse you. Okay. What is the flagship product of EABL? Breweries. Is it Guinness or White Cup or Yanan? You or Sink Baba is telling me Pepsi. Are you from Uganda? Yeah, it's Tusker. Tusker is the flagship product of Coca-Cola. I don't know which other flagship product to ask. But when we talk about the flagship product of a specific company, that is their selling point. You see that, what is it called? That syrup that is used to manufacture Coke. It is only known by very few people, because if people discovers that syrup, that is the end of Coca-Cola. So we have so many academies, individual people teaching people Forex, guys coming up with materials, but our Akash X, our individual, our flagship products, what we pride ourselves in is tap to trade. Tap to trade is the one that is going to help you start to make money even when you don't have the trading knowledge. How does this tap to trade works? As the name suggests, tap to trade, tap to trade. I'm hearing the echo, tap to trade. What happens? We have all these educators in the academy. When they execute a trade, they have their trading accounts. So what they normally do, anytime they execute a trade, whether it's a buy or it's a sell, that trade will reflect in tap to trade. And every person that has a trading account that is connected to tap to trade, that trade will automatically pick from their end. This is no copy trading, because immediately that trade gets into your they execute that trade in 5 minutes, is going to reflect in the app. You will get a kaching, you will get a notification, and this notification will tell you so and so have sent the tap to trade, this is the entry, blah blah blah. All those are information, leave them. The only thing you're going to do is to click approve. The minute you approve, that trade picks in your MetaTrader or your trading platform. It's able to adjust the stop loss, is able to adjust the lot size, and it can never, ever, ever look at my mouth, look at my lips. It can never blow your account, because they only risk 2 to 3% of your account. This is what has made people make money. So this is how tap to trade looks like. So you have your trading account in the broker, or whether it's a demo, whether it's a funded account, whether it is a live money that you want to put in, just come and put your account status here, put your password, choose the broker, whichever broker you're using, and then click on the server and connect. So immediately you connect your account to tap to trade. It means every time any trader is trading, you can just go and approve their trade. So this is how the trade will look like. This is one of our educator called Matthew Thayer. Sent a trade that is a gold XAU USD is gold, and all you need to do is not even care what is EP, who even sent, what is even being traded. You don't even need to know what is being traded. You don't even need to know whether it is a buy or it's a sell. All you need to do is to come and click on approve. And the minute you click approve, the trade will adjust itself. It will pick it automatically in your MT5 or MT4 or whichever trading platform you're using, and it adjusts the stop loss. So these are some of the results. These are results of our trade signals. These are our results of tap to trade, and you can see there's somebody that was able to make 2,420 in a particular day. We have a community of traders, and we are able to see all these results each and every single day. So how do you get started? Of course, everybody starts from a demo. You cannot make money in a system you know nothing about. So you cannot come to put in money in a system you know nothing about. So immediately you get your tap to trade. Always connect with a demo, because demo is a trial. And so demo is you're learning. You're just practicing how tap to trade works, seeing how it is, what time do they send their trade, what lot size do they use, how are their win ratios, and everything else. But now when you want to make real money, you have two options. Option number one is the Pro Farm. And option number two is your real account. I'm going to start with the real account. And I want to tell you the reason I discourage people from trading real money, depositing real money in your account, is because we are trading with borrowed capital. You trade with $100, you trade with $200, you trade with $1,000, you trade with $2,000. That is borrowed capital. Because we are retail traders and we are trading the same market with institutional traders. Institutional traders, they are banks, hedging firm, insurance company, big investment companies. Those guys, they are trading in billions. When you hear New York Stock Exchange, anytime you see a trade in the evening, I've had a catching. Anytime you hear a catching, it is a money making. Let me see what was sent. Yeah. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Let me show you how tap to trade works. I hope it will not have expired. There it is. This is tap to trade. All you need to do is just go and you click approve. See God. See God, though. See God, though. See God, though. I didn't have to explain. And immediately that trade has already picked. It is running. XAUUAG. You guys who have tap to trade, go and tap. Go tap, 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 tap. No, this is not that tap for TikTok. Imagine, as simple as that. As simple as that. I did not even look who sent is Joel. I did not even look what was happening. All I knew, if I was in Telegram group, it's actually sent in the Telegram group. This is a trade that has just landed right now when we are here with you for gold. And of course, it was sent by Joel. So immediately it comes here. When you come, you just go straight to your Akash X and you're able to approve the trade. And so for you who are listening to me and you have it and you have not tapped, you have 33 seconds to do so. Please. Sio trade imenifanyia vizuri yani. That trade has really done me justice. It just came when I was training. And guess what? And it adjusts everything for you. I did not do anything in my trading account. It has the stop loss, it has the take profit. Whether it goes at a positive, it's okay. Whether it goes at a loss, it is okay. That is trading for you. The good thing is tap to trade will never, ever, ever, ever blow your account. So let me go back to the presentation. I'm happy you have seen me do it real time. That is something even my own babies can do, honestly, just tapping. So I was telling the reason that's why we discourage people from using real money is because you will put money you blow here. You're behaving as if you have never blown account. Somebody tell me in this meeting, how many people have blown account here? And what is your biggest account? My biggest account to blow in the Forex market was $3,000. That is an account that just goes and you sit down and you order chicken, the kienyeji one. When I went to Zambia, I ordered village chicken. They call it, imagine, big menu, it is written village chicken. You eat with kafagara. Hey, Jane, you blew an account of $5,000. Yeah, you can put $5,000 and boom, you blow the whole, you execute it and it blows because maybe we didn't have enough knowledge, or we over leveraged, or we over traded, or we are over excited. There are so many overs and overs and overs and overs in trading, just like driving. Causes of accident in driving is what? Why are you listening to me as if you have not done these things? Yeah, novice blew 1,000. Yeah, people have blown account. So for you who came just the other day in trading and you put $100 and you have blown, please, you're still very new. You're still very new. We want to introduce to something that you cannot be able to blow an account. So instead of putting that $1,000 novice, instead of putting that $500, I'm going to show you how you can use your $1,000 to get $100,000 account. Somebody clap for Her Excellency. Instead of you putting that 1,000, who is this one, novice? Oh, Jane, instead of you putting that $5,000, come and show you how you're only going to put $2,000 and you're going to get an account of $200,000. Let me tell you why we are talking about big account. Because with a big account, if you're trading $100, you're trading with anxiety, you're using the smallest lot size, all the time you're looking at your trade, But when you have a big account, like let's say you have $100,000, you will execute gold with a lot size of 0.5, one trade, and let it go. It will go up, it will come down, but it will never liquidate you. So we prefer to use big capital and small lot size, because lot size is the risk. Lot size, for those people who are new, it is the amount of money you're willing to risk. So if you're willing to risk this much, you're also willing to gain this much. So we prefer you use a big account, more especially if you're in Africa. You can be making $100 a day. You're good to go. Just not even $100, $50 a day. You are good to go. And that is why we are introducing you to a pro firm. And we're introducing you to a company called Forex Mastery. This is a pro firm for those people who've never traded with pro firm. Let me just open here. So this is a pro firm. Okay, sorry guys. I never fail. Yeah, so this is the name of our pro firm. It's based in US. And so this prop firm called Tradex, they're a company that fund traders. You can even read for yourself. Funded account for aspiring master traders. Showcase your trading talent with Tradex Mastery and enjoy, let me say, 80 to 90% of your profit with your trading account. So nobody is going to give you $25,000, this one, if they don't know you. Nobody is going to give you $50,000 trading account or $200,000 trading account if they don't know you. So what is the process of them knowing you? The answer here is here. Showcase your trading talents. So you have to trade. They have to give you a demo account of $25,000 that has a leverage of 1:100 to trade with a minimum of five trading days to make 10%. And then you're not supposed to go below 5% a day. You know, that is how traders are analyzed. Your risk versus how much you're making. And for you to get this account of 25, you only need 225,000. Now, that's once you pass phase 1, they take you through. So this is paper 1 and this is paper 2. Once you pass both papers, now you're given the funding account. And once you've given the funding account, it is yours. You trade. Whatever profit you're making, you're taking 80%, they are taking 20%. Now, not to worry. There are some people who are here, they're saying, High Excellency, you're saying, if I buy this account, I have to trade myself to pass the exam. If I don't know how to trade, High Excellency, how am I going to pass? I'm going to fail the exam and I'm not going to succeed. Relax. Somebody tell your neighbor, chillax. You guys, go to the chat box and tell your neighbor, chillax. But then I told you, this is me. This is Her Excellency in her air. How does he say me? Chillax. Yeah, chillax. Because Her Excellency got you. Now we've partnered with the second company that is called Elite Legion International. So the first company is where you will be funded. So you've bought the funded account. The second company is a company that is known for passing. They have softwares that are able to pass this exam for you. And of course, you give them time, you give them 15 to 21 days, because if you're given that account, you're going to take 90 days. By then, you have a whole 90 days to pass those exams. And there are people who stay with that account for 90 days and they still fail. So if you have somebody that can be able to do it in 21 days, and this 21 days is because even then, they're still trading, they don't have the magic of the trading market will just mess them just like the way it messes you. So if instead of you waiting for 90 days, just give them about 15 to 21 days to pass the evaluation for you. And of course, you pay them. Now, let's say now you've gotten your funded account, you have paid somebody a company to trade for you, and now you have your live account. What's next? We go to our tap to trade. We connect your account with tap to trade. You sit down, lift your legs up, and start to watch Netflix, waiting for ka-ching, because you'll just be waiting for that approval button. You will use tap to trade for the first 8 days, and withdraw the money. You take 80%, and the funded company takes 20%. After that, you can be withdrawing your profit on daily basis as and when you have $100 in your account. So in total, Excellency, how much do I need? In total, we have 3 systems. System number 1, it is funded account. If you want a $25,000 trading account, you buy it at $225, which is refundable when you're doing your first withdrawal. Then you are going to pay Elite Legion International $150 to pass for you, because if you fail, this money goes back to the company. It doesn't come back to you. And then you need $149 per month so that you can access Tap to Trade, the one that will be trading your $25,000. So for you traders, is it better you go deposit $525 in your live account, or is it better to use this $525 to get a $25,000 account and wait, knowing that you're in a system that you're learning and you're also trading for yourself? I think trading at $25,000 is better than trading at $525. And again, this $149 that is paid monthly, you can always be waived. I'm going to show you how this money will be waived. If you want a $50,000 account, you buy it at $225. You pay for passing $250. You pay $149 to access Tap to Trade. That is $725. Imagine $725 and you're getting an account of $50,000. Eish, this one, hey, $100K. You buy 500, you pay for passing $450, $149, so you need a total of $1,000. The ones that we blow as if it is not money. As traders, by the way, blow accounts. For $200,000 account, you buy at $975, $854 passing, and $149 monthly. And I've told you, I'm going to show you how you can be waived. So you need $1974. So with $525, consider yourself with an account of $25,000. Do they fail the passing? No. Even if the system has a glitch and the system goes and fails that exam, they will replace, they will go and buy the account again for you. So the minute you buy the account, you pay the passing fee, you fill that form for passing and you submit it to Elite Legion, and then you pay for Tap to Trade, you are good to go. So how can you be waived? If you refer 3 customers to come and use Tap to Trade, then the company is going to waive for you from paying that $149 a month. Now, the information that I have given you tonight, if you take it seriously, it's going to change your life. If you take it seriously, it is not only going to be your second source of income, but eventually it will end up being your best source of income. Wow, I love your speech. So fun, good leader. Oh, Santi Sana, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I don't know if we have any question, or we would, anybody that want to add something. I wanted to see if Lisanne managed to join us today. It's good if you can hear it from her. So yeah, for those people who have been trading, you know how much we have struggled. you know, even to get capital, because you're told to trade the much that you're willing to lose. And I'm telling you, this is our country, Kenya. Boy, I don't know about Botswana. One thing I know here, even losing that $50, you really don't do. Yeah, that is it for tonight. So for you who is interested in joining our trading community, once you join, you are going to be added in groups whereby you can be able to be tell the person that invited you here to add you in a group called Divine Team of Traders. I've been sending those trade alerts there. For you who have your small account and you know how to execute trades, you can always take those trades, low lot size. If, for example, you have $100, just execute 2 trades or 1 trade of 0.01. If you have $200, you can execute with 0.02 and see if you can also be getting value from the group, even as you prepare to join Akash, because I'm not going to send those trade signals there for long. And then again, do not share those signals in social media, because I will be to be asked. Remember, they are only supposed to be accessed by members. But because I love you too much, I am sending them to you. When you pay, when will you pass and start trading? We give ourselves 15 to 21 days. But remember, I've told you, nobody can dictate the market. Nobody can dictate the market. But let me ask you, Osink Baba, I believe I've pronounced your name correctly. If I have not pronounced you, you change that name to an easy one. Sawa. So imagine if somebody was to come and tell you, we've lost money in these online things, and now they come and give you a guaranteed system that is going to give you financial freedom. And they even tell you to wait for 2 months. As long as you will get your $100,000 account or your $25,000 account and you have your trading system, you are good to go. So we are very quick. I always tell my friends, we are always, I being one of them, we are so quick to lose money, but we are never quick. You know, we don't have the patience to make money, but we are very quick to lose money. And I can assure you, there's somebody that has been attending these meetings, and probably they have not signed up. But I'm telling you, within that 1 month, 2 months I've been training, they have put their money in some other funny things, and that money has gone. Imagine, I am seeing from the spiritual angle. So people don't have the patience, you know, to make money. We are too quick to lose. You want to go where everybody is, you know, when it's all nice and all good. And for some of us, we've been in this industry for long. My goodness. I was called for another business that is now being hyped all over now again, Africa. They stopped telling us about trading with AI technology. They are telling us of a specific trading boat. And when they call me for that opportunity, I tell them, I am tired of doing business that are going to stay for, you know, 3 months, they go 6 months, they go 1 year, they go. I'm not raising my children for 3 months. I want a business that I know consistently I'll be making $100, 100, then I can go to 100. Then I know this is my retirement plan. I just don't want to do those things again. And if you're here, please don't even prospect me, because I will not listen. Do you tap approval on all the signals? No. We have tap to trade. That is the only one that goes to tap to trade. We approve. But for those people who knows how to execute trades, like if I send you a signal, you can be able to interpret it. You know, this is a buy market. This is the entry. This is a stop loss. This is take profit 1, take profit 2. If you know how to execute trades and you can be able to regulate or to adjust your lot size, you know how, you know, risk management, you can take those trade. Does tap to trade have 100% winning rate? Nothing, absolutely nothing, zero. Nothing has 100% winning rate. No. You will have trades that you're going to lose. You will have trades that are going to win. There's nobody, even those people you're seeing make a lot of money in trading, when you go to their statement, they have wins and they have loss. But when the wins are more than the losses, we call that person a consistent, profitable trader. So when you're trading with tap to trade alone, you cannot blow an account and you cannot stay a whole month without making money. There are days you will lose, there are days you will gain, but when you look, because the loss, they use a leverage of they use a ratio, risk to reward ratio of 1:3. So, or 1:2. That means if you lose a trade, let's say if you 1:3 means if the loss is 20, then the gain is 60. It's 3 times. That is 1:3. If the loss is 20, then the gain is 20 times 2. That is 1:2. So even if you lose 50% of the trade and you win 50% of the trade, you're still a consistent, profitable trader. I want to ask, can somebody upgrade 25,000? No, you cannot upgrade. You cannot upgrade. You can only buy a bigger account. And I don't know what you're going to do with the smaller account, because the smaller or the account, unless now you decide the 25, now you'll be taking the trade alerts and the trades that are being sent in the group and trades that are being sent by our live session educators when they're live. And then the bigger account you use Tap to Trade. It's still a good way. But I overheard they might add a way where Tap to Trade can trade 1 or 2 accounts. Any commission for referring? When you refer somebody to, you refer 3 people, 3 customers, you are exempted from paying the 149 per month. When you refer somebody to TradeX, you earn 15% of 225. 15% of 325. When you refer somebody to use a cash, you earn $40. Can somebody upgrade? Okay. How does 25 account give you in a day? We cannot estimate the much that it can give you a day, but for my team, I am telling them, you give yourself a target. Once you make $100 a day, leave that market. Leave that market completely, because there is a drawdown that you're not supposed to go. You're not supposed to go a certain number down. So don't come to over leverage. What we want is start making that $100 a day. Even if you lose 2 days, you're still at 300. 300, if you multiply that by 20 days, you're good to go. So for those people who have $25,000, I'm just telling them an average of 100. For those people who are bazoo, we will talk. Okay. Thank you. I'm happy when I see you asking questions and interacting with me here. Just give me so much joy. So I believe that you have learned. So what you're going to do, you will reach out to the person that invited you to this meeting. Tell them what you want. Tell them how you feel. And can I use my broker of MT4? You can connect up to Trader with your live account, but they recommend an account of $500. No, 500 dollars and above. Or you can get the Akash X to just be leveraging on the signals that are being sent there. We have 5 minutes to finish. 5 minutes, then we are done. Call, can Liz continue with me? I am not sure because we're in 2 different time frames. But remember, she said that immediately she's able to get the information from corporate. This is for Sakina. Information from corporate, she's the one that is gonna get us. How much can 1970 give you on a daily basis? Boss. You, I know you in person. Yeah? Mazambia brother, I know you in person. Let's talk one-on-one. But of course we don't. But of course we don't recommend that you come with the mindset of making millions in a day. But if that one can give you 500 or 300, you're good to go. You're good to go. Yeah. And remember, we don't count trade on daily profits because, hey, sometimes this market can show us pepe. For those people who are trading on Friday, even I had done my analysis that gold will be buying. What's happening to steamer here? I had done my analysis that gold will be buying. But the kind of mteremko, the bleeding, the selling, the red we experienced on Friday, my goodness. Anyway, it is well. Then today what happened? It just buys. So that is why it is good to be connected with the community. You don't feel like you are alone. And the good thing is when you have these big accounts, even if you lose, you don't really feel that loss because you are still within, you're still, hey, like that one for 1974, my brother, the drawdown is how much? The drawdown like this is 20,000. Hey, by the time you lose $20,000, unless your village people are working against your progress, all the accounts, what you look at or what you look in, I don't know, when you are choosing an account is how much is my daily drawdown. Like they have given, remember this account is being monitored elsewhere. So if it is 200, you're not supposed to lose 5%. That is $10,000. How do you lose $10,000 a day? It doesn't. You can't. That's why you're told just join that one. You put a one trade of gold of one not size of one, and you forget about it. It's such a peaceful way of trading and making money. In the worst case scenario, is one able to meet the 149 monthly? Remember, I want to start by telling you 149 is for the academy and all the things that the academy is offering. I don't know what happened to my camera and all the things that the academy is offering. Yeah. My camera has just decided you should not see me. So you don't look at 149 for the anyway, you don't look for that 149 as I want to be making money here so that I can be paying 149. No, you look at the education part of it. You look at what you're getting. Some of us, we paid a lot of money. Just go and try and check how much people are being charged to just be taught how to trade. It is not 149, it's not 200, it's not 300, and they pay this money per month. So the value you get, if you don't want to pay that 149, you just refer 3 customers. But the value you get, the value alone, the education you get alone, the trading you get alone, you will not even look at that 149. And again, there's no, you can trade with a $200,000 account or with a $25,000 account and you don't make enough money for yourself and to sustain you being in the academy. Does the $25,000 account have a renewal plan? No, it doesn't have a renewal plan. The minute you buy and you passed for the exam, the only thing that you need to do is to sit down and tap. Somebody say tap. Somebody say tap to trade. Yeah, I think I've answered all the questions. Yeah, my camera is back. I've answered all the questions. So I want to believe that tomorrow evening I have, tomorrow there's no presentation. So if you want somebody to come and hear this presentation, tell them on Wednesday. Tomorrow I have a meeting with the VIPs because they really have a lot to learn, a lot to connect. So if you're in the VIP group or you're gonna be joining today and tomorrow, just make sure that you join our meeting tomorrow so that we can be able to tap manually, execute trade manually, connect this trade manually, so that you don't pay that 149 and you're still stranded. We don't want anybody stranded. Yeah. Yes, we've come to the end of our meeting. I've come to the end of our meeting. I was just looking at the chat to see if there's something that is happening. Yeah, we've come to the end of our meeting. I'm gonna be posting this on my YouTube channel, Her Excellency Immaculate Mother Hannah. So just go to my YouTube channel now, because after this, I will post this video there for those people who did not manage to attend the meeting. So from me to you is a God bless you. Yeah, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate